Hey
You might
guys,
also
welcome back
see
to my
people
YouTube channel.
jumping
So
into
today
water and
I am
diving
going to be
for a
showing you my mini brand
cross.
collection,
There are also
and
plays of the
we
kings
are going to
visiting
be doing
Jesus. And on this day, some people receive
a whole bunch of
Christmas
mini brands are from
presents
season 1 and
instead of
season 2,
Christmas. When do
and
people
I
celebrate
am going to
Epiphany?
be
Most Christians celebrate on January 6th. Others
showing
celebrate
you
on
guys and
January
putting them in an
19th.
actual
But
container.
everyone
Just
celebrates
my
in
goal
January.
is for
Now you just learned
2021
another holiday from
is
around the world.
to
Check out
fill it up
other
all the
cool
way to the
videos
top,
of holidays from
and then
around
I'm
the
going to
world
get
by
another
clicking
container
there, or
and fill it all the way up
check
to
out
the top.
another cool video from Conley's Cool ESL.
So we're gonna
Totally.
get,
So just
let's
click
start.
one of
I'm
those
gonna start off
videos
with
there, right?
season 1, I
Just
think.
click one.
Probably the
Like
I don't
click
care.
one. Like
So
right there.
let's go
Just
to it.
get right.
So first I have
right there.
Mentos. Little Mentos. They're so cute. The first one in, it goes. Like I like closing it, but I'm gonna get on with these. This is season 1. So here is a little Dove soap. I think it's this was one of my oldest ones. So here's a little Dove soap. I'm gonna put it in. So guys, I'm gonna actually put them right here where you guys can actually see them. So I'm not gonna be showing my face that much because I want you guys to see the mini brands. So I'm gonna push it back a little bit. And I have a big collection, that's fine. Pushing it back in my hip. And then I have a little shaving cream. I have a Skippy peanut butter. And I have more, but I don't know where they all went. Oh yeah, I forgot I showed you guys this Mentos. Right here. So, and then I'm gonna put them in a actual container. And then I have 2 of these. Let me get them. Where's the other one? This is from season 2, I think. I'm gonna scoot this one and put them right there. And then I have 2 soy sauces. One's I think glow in the dark. This one's not glow in the dark. So yeah. And then I have original something. I don't know what this is, but yeah. And then I actually have something in here. A couple things in here. Other things. My favorite one out of all of them. I can't get it out. I'm gonna get 2 of my favorites. These are my favorites. This one, the Cool Whip. I want to put it there. Oh wait, I'm gonna show the actual container. And then I have pizza bagels. Almost dropped it. And I'm gonna be unboxing these a lot. So, and then I have little nuts. Here, I'm gonna show it up closer. Little nuts. And then I have a little nuts. I'm just gonna have it in my lap, guys. So I have 2 of these of this color. And yeah. And then I have original paprika. I have another favorite. I'm gonna get out one of my favorites. And then there's one for the last I can't show, and I'll give you a little sneak peek. And so you know, I have a Golden Mentos from season 1. And these are mini brands that they're hard to find. And this is also from season 1. Little moon pies. It's like old. So I'm gonna probably tape it shut soon. So yeah. And then I have little French friesies. And then I have tomato sauce. Dang, the table space is on there. And then I have this little bacon broccoli stuff. I don't know what it is. Some bacon. And then I have one of my favorites, coffee. This is what it looks like. And then it has this little sides. And then I told you guys I have 2 of these. So I'm gonna put them probably right here. So the duplicates I have, I'm probably gonna be putting, like, I'll put these right here, one right there, and then one right here. Yeah, I see you guys. Oh wait, they cover a lot. So the big ones kind of go in the back. And I just dropped the mini bear. So there. And if you guys want me to make a mini mart from the Dollar Tree, I'm trying to get out bacon. I found my bacon. Oh, I lost one of my bacons, but it's fine. I have 2 bacons. I'm gonna actually find it. And here's the other one. Stack them. I'm sorry about the background noise. I'm so sorry. And I have chili. I have 2 chilies. Put them there. I haven't shown them yet. 2 chilies. Some different brand of shaving cream. I don't know what shaving cream is supposed to be about, but yeah. And I have, oh, this is my favorite. This one, because I have this one. It's Granny Cinnamon. We have this in our cupboard, and I'll show you mine. And then I have some stuffing. This is like a big one, so I'll probably put it here. And then I have some mini brands. A mini brand. Like old mini brands. And then I also have a newer one. Here's the newer one. Sorry about the lighting, but yeah. This is my second ever YouTube. That's what it looks like. And then I have some steak sauce. And then I have some, chicken stuffing too. They are really small. This one on the back. And then here is this steak sauce. I already showed you, but I'm showing them again. Oh yeah, and then everything here. I have some real bacon stuff, but this is from season 1. And I have a different steak sauce. My 2 actually favorites are these 2. Pink lemonade, and I'm gonna save this one for last. Actually, some pink lemonade. And another soy sauce. This is the glow and the dark soy sauce. So, and here is some cream cheese. Actually, guys, there's a cool fact about me. I can eat cream cheese by itself. Oh my god, it's so good. Here is like this from season, I think 1 or 2. I don't remember. But, and then here is season 2's taco stuff. I dropped everything but that. And then last one. This one is the cutest. Put it with that one. There. So guys, this is all. So
One thing about me
but
is
it's your
I love
time.
studying all
So
of the
bye
different cultures
guys.
throughout time. And today,
Oh yeah, I
have
forgot
a
guys, I was
full
gonna put it in
video
here
on
too.
cults about
So I forgot, yeah. Bye.
Since the beginning of time,